why I bought 7 Risso Batmans and other 200 collectibles on the VEVE app. 4 months ago I heard about the NFTs from people like Gary V, Mark Cuban, Chamat, and I was like, I ain't going to buy this shit because that's too much information and too much stuff to research with all the DeFi, all the yield farming, yield aggregators, and all the new crypto projects. My first reaction was like, I ain't going to research this because it's just too much. Later I found out about the NBA Top Shots, and my first thought was like, why do people want to own a 15-second videos of NBA highlights which sell for 200,000, but you can find all the highlights on YouTube? I just didn't see any use case other than trading. So I was basically scrolling my YouTube with all the crypto recommended videos, and I saw this video with title Huge Crypto NFT Gem. The video had like 100+ views and I clicked on it. And there it was, my first video. I found out about ECOMI. Like, the video was talking about all the licensing they got, and that actually was the first thing that stuck with me because I knew that must be the most difficult and important thing to secure the brand licenses in the NFT market, because I was actually watching some Gary V videos 2 years ago, and he was talking about how huge the licensing will be in the next 10 years. That's why that stuck in my mind. So I just did my research and I wanted to find out how late I was in this project, and I checked the OMI price, which was already $0.002, but I saw the potential in the deflationary tokenomics and that they are not yet on any huge exchange, so I bought some OMI. After that I found out about the VEVE app and I saw the 3D AR Batmans, Ghostbusters and unicorns, and I found out I have missed the gold and platinum Mowglis from Ghostbusters, which dropped like 3 days before I found out about the ECOMI. I was checking out the collectibles and researching how legit is this project, and I found out about Alfred Kahn, who made Pokemon a international success. So that basically sold me on this project, and I just started buy all the NFTs, all the Batmans, basically all the ultra rare stuff on VEVE, and it made sense to buy the Series 1 #1 ultra rare Risso Batmans, and I bought 7 for myself and made all my family members buy at least 1 Risso as well. Rissos actually held on the market for about a week before selling out. Then I heard about the Master Collectors program and I started to collect the whole sets for more advantages in the future when they roll out all the updates and all the Master Collector stuff, you know. I started to check all the Telegram trading groups because I wanted all the Cartoon Network collectibles, which were available only in China, and I wanted the full set, so I bought many NFTs from Telegram traders, which is not smartest thing to do, but fortunately I didn't run in any scammers. I hope in future the Rissos will be worth at least $100,000 when the demand grows and there are only 1,700 available for millions of future collectors and fans. And the second part is that it is the first ever drop from ECOMI, so people will want to get their whole set and they will need the ultra rare Batman, which will be extremely rare and hard to get. So yeah, that's how I basically started with the VEVE app, and I will actually make a new videos about the price predictions for all the collectibles, so feel free to subscribe, like the video, and thanks for watching.